Hi, welcome to the most important and time-consuming painting I have ever done. This is Bowie. She says hi. I think she wants to stay here with me while I speak. I will guide you through the process of me painting this huge painting here, and I hope you will enjoy what I have to show you.
So everything began last year in October when I decided that I would take this big picture and transform it in a painting. So I am reusing the canvas and I'm really happy with the results. It all began 3 months ago in October, I think, when I started to think what to do with this huge canvas. I really loved it, but I didn't want that picture on my wall. So what I did was making some variants of what I would like to see on my wall. And the first thing I thought about was a planet. So I did all these planets, I think it was 5 or 6 of them, in red, in blue, orange, yellow, and then I just put everything to rest because I wasn't really happy with the way it worked out. On 25th of December I came up with this brilliant idea that I am going to spend all my efforts and love and passion to making musicians smile. And in this regard, please go and check out my Patreon page. I have lots of new surprises for you and for my patrons. Painting for birthdays, merch like t-shirts and small musical objects. Community, I would like to build a community with all the support that you need in chatting and personal messaging. If you're a musician, I would love to create for you the paintings that you always desire to have in your practice room, in your house, in your home, and that is what I'm doing now. So the planet transformed into a symbol. As you know, I am a percussionist, so the first thing I thought about was the symbol, and I thought, what a great idea, let's do this. So I started with doing just a test. I did it on in a really small sheet of paper, and then I used for the first time the golden leaf, and I was really happy with the result. I thought this is going to be so great. Of course, transporting it to the big canvas was not easy at all. As you know, I never did anything this big. So I had to be really careful. I did some measurements, I used the liner, and I took a few steps away from the canvas several times, many times, just to make sure that is all looking good from a distance. So then I was working with a picture, with a simple picture that I found on the net, and the light that is coming from behind the symbol, I first did it in a very light colors, and then I put on the golden leaves. This is my favorite part of the job, and it's it's going really slow. Of course, I cut lots of minutes from the video so that you wouldn't be annoyed with my work process. This is just the second time that I am using golden leaf, so of course you will have hundreds of critics. Maybe you could tell me how you did the first time when you used golden leaf. This is just my way and my experience. I'm sure I'm going to be better and better from now on. I am going to go on with the painting musical instruments, because this is what I'm going to do from now on. And I'm really happy because this is the style that I'm choosing: all black background and yellow or golden colors or silver colors. Now I chose golden because symbols are usually golden. And what about how big it is? It's 1 meter long, no, it's 1 meter high and 1.5 meters long. It took me a week to finish it and 4 months to prepare, think about what I want to do, and finish this project. I'm not sure I will keep it. I'm not keen on doing it. If you're interested, please DM me and I'll be sure to contact you back.
Thank you very much for watching. Love you. Kisses. Bye bye.
And if you didn't already, please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to check out my Instagram page where I put on funny stuff for musicians every day. Love you, kisses. Bye bye.